Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MLNT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. You do not need your eyes checked. Yes, this candle here is still forming. There's a few more minutes before the market closes, but as far as what I want to talk about for this chart, I feel comfortable getting started here before the market officially closes. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and namely the volume this afternoon, well above average on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance as the price closes out the week tomorrow on Friday. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this line up here. And this is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $1.70. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price does fall below $1.70, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period, a simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here is what I'm defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. How you can best visualize that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above $1.70 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up there around the $2 mark. So $2 will be public enemy number one going into Friday. All in all, though, anyway, look at it, nice movement. And as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows, that's what you want to see. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.